kids! This is Teacher Erica and welcome to Online Math Review. In this video, we're going to review for the first semester test. So again, for the parts of the test, we are already finished the part 1 and the part 2. So in this video, we're going to review the part 3, which is the matching type, and that's for 15 points. And the part 4, it's all about problem solving, that's also for 15 points. Okay, addition of fractions. So we have the given 1 over 6 plus 5 over 12. And as you can see, the denominators are not the same. So we have to make the denominators the same, okay, so that we can proceed to addition. So in this case, we can convert this number or the denominator 6 to 12. So 1 over 6, and then think a number that when you multiply to 6, it will give you 12. Again, think a number that when you multiply to 6, will give you 12. So the answer is, we have 2 times 2. And whatever the number that you multiply to denominator 6, you will also use the same number to multiply the numerator. Alright, so 1 times 2, 6. 1 times 2 is 2. Again, 1 times 2 is 2. Alright, so that's the new fraction. Okay, from 1 over 6, it becomes 2 over 12. Okay, so now we can proceed to addition. We can now add the two fractions because they have now the same denominators. So just add the numerators. 2 plus 5, 7. And then just simply copy the denominator. So again, the answer is 7 over 12. Okay, now subtraction of fractions. We have the given 5 over 12 minus 1 over 12, and they have the same denominators. So we can just subtract right away, alright? So just subtract the numerators. 5 minus 1, 4. And then copy the 12 as denominator. So 4 over 12. And don't forget that you need to always simplify your answer when necessary, alright? So this time, we have to simplify. 4 over 12. So can you think a number that is divisible to both 4 and 12? It's number 4. So 4 divided by 4 and then 12 divided by 4. Okay? So 4 divided by 4, 1. 12 divided by 4, 3. So the answer is 1 over 3. So we need to, our goal is to make them the same denominator. So in this case, we can convert this to 4. Alright? So think a number that when you multiply to 2, it will give you 4. Okay, so it's times 2. And you will also multiply the same number to the numerator. So 1 times 2 is 2. So this is now the new fraction. Okay, so now we can proceed to subtraction. So 2 over 4 minus 1 over 4. Okay, just simply subtract the numerators. So 2 minus 1. So the answer is 1, and then just simply copy the denominator. So the answer is 1 over 4. Next, multiplication of fractions. So we have 3 over 4 times 5 over 6. As you can see, we can just cancel this number, okay, because they have a common, or they have a number that is divisible to both of them. Okay, so 3 divided by 3, 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Alright, so now let's multiply. 1 times 5, 5. 4 times 2, 8. So the answer is 5 over 8. Fraction divided by a fraction. First step is to write the given fractions as this. 7 over 12 divided by 2 over 3. So this is the given fractions. Step 2 is to find the reciprocal of the divisor. So 7 over 12, from 2 over 3, it becomes 3 over 2. So the reciprocal allows you to change the operation from division to multiplication. Alright. And then multiply the fractions. So 7 times 3, 21. 12 times 2, 24. And simplify the answer. Write the answer in simplest form. So from 21 over 24, think a number that is divisible to both 21 and 24. What is that number? Okay, so it's 3. 21 divided by 3, 7. 24 divided by 3, 8. So the answer is 7 over 8. Now let's multiply the decimal to whole number. 0.064 times 2. So 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 6, 12. So 2 carry 1. 2 times 0, 0. Plus 1, 1. 2 times 0, 0. And then, to put the decimal point, so this is the decimal point, please count the number, all the numbers, all the digits behind the decimal point. So we have 1, 2, 3. So from here, and then you have to count 1, 2, 3. So put the decimal here. Our answer is 0.128. Problem solving, part 4 of the test. Sharon has a strip of paper that is 3 1/3 meters in length. And Sharon needs to cut the strip into pieces that is 1 over 6 meter in length. How many strips can he cut out from his original strip? So for the given, I'm giving you the clue by putting a color into the phrase and the sentence. So the color blue, you have to put this number 3 and 1 over 3 in this blank. Alright? So next, Sharon cut the strips into blank. Okay, Sharon needs to cut the strip into blank. Okay, this one. So write the fraction here, 1 over 6. And then for the number sentence, so again, I'm giving you the clue, okay, by putting a color into it. Okay, so the color blue here, which means you have to put this number or this fraction. And then for the green one, this one. And for the red is your answer. Okay, this symbol is you have to divide. Hand. Okay, hand. So divide. And then for the complete answer, whatever the fraction or your answer here, then you have to rewrite to this blank. Okay. Next is you will do the same. So just write for the color blue here, for the green one here. Alright. Sumchai combined 7 over 4 cups of pancake mix and 3 over 4 of a cup of water to make pancake batter. If he uses 1 over 4 of a cup of butter to make a serving of pancake, how many serving of pancakes can Sumchai make from this butter? Alright, so use blank. So yellow, this one. Please write this fraction here. Alright? And then for the number sentence, so I just put the color. Meaning you have to add first this one, 7 over 4 plus the green 3 over 4. So what's the answer? You put your answer here in the red blank. And then this one, meaning divide. You have to divide your answer here divided by yellow, the 1 over 4, and then equals blank, your answer. Okay? Again, whatever your final answer here, you have to rewrite or write again here. Okay? For the complete answer. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, kids. Goodbye.